If you have a Ford Escape, Mazda Tribute, or a Mercury Mariner, these things were made from about 2002 to about 2012, and there is a flaw in the front braking system. There's a flexible brake line, but the inside of it actually collapses and causes your caliper to stop working. Now, a lot of times that I've seen, people think that their caliper is froze up, and it's actually that flexible brake line. I'm going to go ahead and pull this wheel off, show you the line. They're running around $15 to $20. I'll put a link on Amazon in the description below. And a lot of times people save a lot of money by not replacing that caliper. All they do is replace the line and you're good to go. But I'll show you what it looks like. Now right here is that problem front brake line. This is a flexible line, runs down along here and into the caliper. The inner sleeve of this collapses and then your caliper stops moving. So a lot of guys will replace the caliper and they still have the problem. Well, this is just a common failure on these 02 to 2012 Mercury Mariners, Mazda Tributes, and Ford Escapes. So before you do your next brake job, check that out. Maybe try replacing this first since they're about 20 bucks. And hopefully it'll save you guys some time and money. This is what the new line looks like. This is where it's going to thread into your caliper. And you just got two C-clips that hold this into place right here and here. Fairly simple change, and then you just need to bleed your caliper. Hopefully your next brake job doesn't include replacing your caliper, it's just replacing that line. Hope you guys found the video helpful and informational, and thanks for watching.